So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press Control I, press X and D for delete, or we can also, I think, press the delete button. No, not working. No, delete button is not working. Enter, you can press enter, or you can just press D. Okay, good. Press N. No, you don't have to press this thing. I'm just going to turn on the screencast keys so you can see better which button I'm pressing. So now it's fine. Select this one. This is not on the floor, so I'm gonna put this, press G, C1. Now this is on the floor and I like this box to be on the floor. Just looks better, doesn't do anything with our model. Just looks good. Scale it on the x-axis, something like this. Okay, I think this is okay. Control 2, press tab. I'm gonna add some loop cuts here. I'm gonna scale on the y-axis. It's fine. One loop cut here. Good. One loop cut here. Right click, shader smooth. Click shade smooth. Okay, shade smooth. Press 3 and Control R. I need loop cuts. I need 7 loop cuts here. Okay, scale it down. Somewhere here. I think this should be fine. Press 3. I need to select these faces. So just select these faces. I'm gonna press I for insert, and I'm gonna disable the, just for a moment I just have to disable this modifier so that we can see better. Extrude. Okay, I've extruded, but what is this? I think the face orientation is wrong. Nope, the face orientation is perfect. It is happening because of shade smooth. Okay, because of shade smooth, it will be okay. Okay, extrude it one more time and one more time. This is fine. Now see it like this. Okay, now this is fine. No problem. And then trace it on the render level 2, because this is the most important thing. What will I do on this viewport level? I mean, like, you can see, but final render must be on 4 if you need 4. So if you don't need 4, you just don't have to do this. Just leave it on 3 or 2. But I would render on 4. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select these vertices, and what I need to do, press Ctrl Shift B, and I have to bevel these vertices and need extra loops. Oops. Okay, this is fine. I think this is fine. But the problem is why I have said 2 times is, I don't know. Just leave it. I have to make it spherical because this is not a sphere. I need LEDs here, so I can press Control Shift S. I think Control Shift S or Alt Shift S. I think Alt Shift S, mass transformation, transform and to sphere. Shift Alt S. Okay, Shift Alt S or Alt Shift S. Same thing. Click on the to sphere. Why this is not working? Oh my gosh! This is not working because these are four spheres, like four LEDs. So we need different pivot points, so individual different origins, not pivot point, different origins. So we will set it, like press the period button and set the uh, pivot point to individual origins. And one more thing we have to change, but let me show you. If we do not do that thing, what will happen? Let me show you first. Alt Shift S, and we are doing it, but it is, let's see, it doesn't work. So the problem is we have to make the sphere just the outer edges, like these outer edges. Do not select the between like the faces that is inside. So just select, sorry, just select just select the outer areas, outer edges. Okay, just select these. Great. Now we can now press Alt Shift S, or you can go to Mesh, Transform to Sphere, and then now what we have to do? Let me disable it once again. Press 1, and let me show you something. This one face has 6 edges, and this is not a good thing. This is a very bad thing. This is not a good topology. So if we can fix these kind of things, then we must fix. If we cannot, then just leave it. But if we can, then we should. So let me show you first. This is the edge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we can make it 4. Like in one face we can make 4 edges, like here. Let me show you. Select this one and select this one and press J. Now see, this face has 4 edges and this face has 4 edges. Great. Now let me do the same thing with this face. And then same thing for here, but I'm gonna leave other faces same, just to show you what is the difference. Okay, so you can also see why if we don't do this kind of things, like just leave it with 6 edges, what will happen? Nothing. No, I will show you what will happen if you leave it like that. Okay. So first of all, select the middle areas, the middle faces, the whole thing, because these will be the LEDs. So I have to extrude these inside. One more time. Okay, something like this. And while these are selected, I have to do one more thing that is very important. And what is that thing? Go to the material properties, and this is the material for the box. What would I say? I don't know. I am very bad at naming things. I have pressed this button to create to add a new material on this material. Okay, so press new, and like these will be the indicators, the LEDs. So LEDs, and just don't forget to press this assign button. Okay, now these selected areas are assigned to this material. Now LEDs work with these when we change like principal PSDF. I'm gonna change it to emission. Now this will be emission, simple. And I'm going to change it to 3 or something, 3 to 5. You can also leave it to 1, and I'm gonna I'm gonna leave it to 3. And if I have to change it, I'll change it later. So okay, now I have to do these things. Okay, no, don't do these things. Let me show you. Modify properties, turn it on. Let me show you something. You can see the smoothness of this area, and see this area. See the difference? You can see here this is not that smooth. You can see here that there are some problems. You can see here, right? Why this is happening? Why? You can see some, not a lot, but you can see the difference, right? In the first one you cannot see anything, any bad thing, but here, okay, gone. No, not gone. Here you can see on this area. So you can see a bit difference, but not at all. Just a bit, just a bit. So I have to fix this one. So just select this one, vertical. Okay, great, great, bro, great. Now I am done. No, I'm not done. I'm done with these edges. Now turn it on. Now this is smooth. Now this is smooth. Okay, I did not separated this thing. Okay, let's do it now. Select this one, select this one. Okay, I have to do this earlier. But don't worry about it. Leave it. Leave it. No? Why you're gonna leave it? Grab it on the Z axis. Very little. Very little. Great. So you can see the separation. The boat logo. Okay. Okay, I have the logo. I think where, no, not here. Here, I think. Reference. Okay, I got the logo. So uh, reference is added. Sorry, guys. I need a plane. Rotate on the y-axis 90 degrees. Right here, and this is a very small portion of it. Press tab. Sorry. I was thinking why this is not working. I was in the object mode. That's why it was not. I forget. I'm not gonna make it perfect. I'm not gonna give a lot of time. In edit mode, I'm gonna copy everything in edit mode. Shift D on this exercise. I cannot make let me dissolve this vortex. This is a triangle, and this has just 3 sides, but it's fine. It is going to be a very small object. It is not going to create any problem. First of all, I need something. I need the solidify modifier with even thickness. Okay, great. This fine. I want this here. So shift. So shift A. No. Shift S, and this selection must be on that cursor. Selection to cursor. Okay, scale it down, scale it down. Wear it down. Great. Great. Oh my gosh. This is not a good thing. The LEDs, the distance of the LEDs is I need the distance of the LEDs is high. I need to make these in less space. First of all, I have to grab it down, something like this. Then, after doing that, I'm gonna grab these, something like this, like 0.02, 0.02, but in negative. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Grab on the z-axis negative 0.02. Same for the. I can grab the whole thing negative. Like, why? No, 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 no. I'm not gonna do with the whole thing. I'm gonna select this one, grab it up, 0.02. Make this up, not down. Okay, now I think this is it. I'm not making exactly like perfect one. You can take the reference and you can match exactly what it looks like, but I'm just giving you an idea, so I'm not going to give a lot of time to this. So this is a logo. So logo should be like a shining thing. I'm just gonna reduce the roughness, just it, nothing more than that. It will take the other. Okay. So just I can delete the logo or just remove it. Or can I should I save this thing? Now I need some lighting setup. Okay, shift A, mesh, plane. So why the plane is here? Shift C. Now the 3D cursor is in the center of this world, of this 3D world. Now our plane is selected. Alt G. Now we have reset the location of the plane. Scale something like this. Great. Extrude on axis of C. I'm not gonna choose any material for this. I'm gonna choose the box. Both will be same. So for the I need bevel. Okay, right click, shade smooth. Shade smooth. Don't go for auto. Smooth. Fine. Fine. Need some lighting. Need some lighting. Lighting and camera and action. action, action, action. First of all, I need a camera. Where's the camera? Alt R and yes, reset the rotation first because the rotation was weird for that. Now I need one more room for other things. Press the control tilde, press the T button, press the Z button for render view. No, not the render view for let us just press 0. I've rotated it on the wrong. I feel sleepy. Zoom it. 1920 by 1080 or just 1080 by 1080. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Now the lights. Okay. Now the light shifted. I need the light. I need area light. A bit. Save it one more time. Render. Why it is taking too long to render? Wait, it's done. Is it on the EV? I don't EV. I don't want EV. I want cycles. Love cycle. Okay, now max samples to 128. Also for the render because we have noise cancellation denoiser, so we don't need that high 4096. No, we don't need that high. For color management, I'm going with the filmic. Okay, good. High contrast. I'll change it later if I want to. Go for the lighting settings and the properties. 200 is fine, I think. Okay. I need two more lightings. Two more lights. Not lighting. What is lighting? Alt T. Rotate is something like this. Huh? Alt Z. Sorry. GeForce experience? No. I'll do it manually. Low. Okay, sorry. This is white. I don't need the box white. This is fine. This is fine. This is what I want basically. Great. So one more light. I need one more light. Great. One more light is here. One more light here. And the logo is too big. If it looks good for you, then it's fine. But if it doesn't, then change it. Okay, now this is perfect for me. This is called perfect logo. So everything looks very, very, very great. Let me change the lightings just a bit, like 250 or 300. it's awesome. It is looking great. It is looking great. Control S, save. Now we have done doing this the first part of this tutorial. We have done the box, and in the next part we are gonna create the. Okay, why I have put earphones? Why? There's no need of putting earphones. Okay, so I have to create these. I think earbuds. I think earbuds. So we'll create the buds in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.